let's start with a simple question. If I have shirts, right? A red shirt, a brown shirt, and a violet shirt. And I have got, so this is red shirt, brown shirt, and a violet shirt. And if I've got some trousers, so I have jeans, and I've got track, right? Then how many total number of ways are there to wear a shirt and a trouser? So I need to display all possible outcomes. So I can do this naively. I can say if for I in range, the length of shirts, and for J in range, length of shirts of trousers, I could say, okay, append to this list, or I could be more succinct. So I could say, okay, this, and then I could append to my new list, outcomes, and then inside of this, I could append outcomes.append. For every I over here, I'm going to append J's. So I'm going to append um, shirts, a tuple of shirts of I, trousers of J. So I'm going to append a tuple of that. Let's run this. Tuple takes one, at most one argument. So I could say, alright, let's append this. So now let's print out outcomes. Let's run this. Alright, so I've got all possible outcomes and I can print the length of the outcomes. And now from basic combinatorics, I know by the rule of product, I would have 3 choices for my shirts and 2 short choices for my trousers. So I would have, for each of these choices, I would have 2 choices. So I would have 6 choices in total. Let me run this and I should get 6, right? Now, it's a pretty clumsy way of doing this because Python already has some built-in functionality. If we use, so instead of this, you can comment all this out. We could use the built-in function using, I think it was itertools. If I say import from itertools, import product, and now I could just say, give me the product of shirts and trousers, and please make a list out of it, and I could print that out. Print the length of the list, and then I should get 6 over here. Oops, what happened? Outcomes equals of all this. Okay, if I get 6, and if I look at what I got side of this, should get all possible products. This is essentially the cross product of one thing with the other thing. The red shirt with jeans and red shirt with tracks is essentially doing the same thing that we did here, more succinctly.